Hi Dushies, welcome back to my channel. I am Lisandi and today we are going to do a tutorial on how to flat twist and do a fishtail bun. So first part your hair in sections and comb through. So after that you are going to part the hair in the style you want to achieve. Now use that edge control to really grip the edges so that you can twist the starting from the root till the end. Twist your fingers and hold. Use your fingers to hold the twist flat and neat. Use a bobby pin to secure all your twists safely together. So here you wanna grab and twist, grab and twist, grab and twist until you reach the end. So with flat twist, it's really all about the parting of the hair, because if it's a cool style, then your flat twists are going to be bombing. Very important to use some oil for your scalp. Okay, so now I'm just going in to lay the edges and make it cute. I think it really completes the look. And after that, some hairspray to keep everything in place. So I did small braids and I dipped them in hot water and then opened them, and I really love this texture, so I'm going to try to style it into a fishtail ponytail. So I part the hair in two sections and then grab small strand portions of the back of two parts. Flip it to the front and cross over the opposite side and hold. Use hair clippers to help you with the hair, and next grab a small strand portion on the back side from the part you just fed and flip it to the front and cross it over. So as I was saying, you want to grab and cross, hold, grab, cross, hold, grab, cross, hold, and just like that. I really like the texture of this hair because it mimics natural hair, and I really wanted something to go with the flow of the twist, so I'm loving it. So this is it, you guys, the final result. I like it, but as you'll see, I didn't go with a ponytail. I did like a bun thing. I think it came out really cute. I gathered the hair and I'm going to use the loophole of the fishtail ponytail, and I'm going to insert the gathered hair in the loophole, wrap it around the ponytail and pin it in place with a bobby pin. Adjust the ponytail in place and grab a good amount of synthetic hair strand to hide the base of the ponytail. And yes, as you guys can see, I am not a fan of the ponytail, so I'm doing a fishtail bun instead. Yay! this is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was fun and useful for you guys. I also want to thank you all who subscribed to my channel. I am thankful and excited that we reached 100 subs together. Thank you so much for your support, and for all you newbies to my channel, please subscribe, like, share, and follow your girl on social media. I will see you next time. Ciao!